Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got something to show you here. Let me show you the history first. A couple of days ago, our water heater, which is right in the corner there, behind the dryer to the left of the dryer, it went out. And so we had to get a replacement. And even though it was the same configuration, same capacity, it wouldn't fit back in that corner. So I had to get the plumbers to cut a notch out of that bookshelf, which the vertical part of it is right under that Radio Shack box. So they just notched it out, and that was just enough so they could get the water heater in there. Well, while I was watching them, I saw all the stuff that was on those shelves. And I thought, man, I got to clean up that mess. Well, I started this morning, and I got all the stuff that's right above the washer and dryer cleaned out and rearranged. And then above that, to the right of that computer box, was a whole bunch of scanners. And that's what's down there. It's about a half a dozen old scanners, of which I probably haven't touched for 15, 20 years. And so I doubt that I've done any shows on these scanners. I may have done shows on similar ones or duplicates that I had and I have stored at other places. So the next couple of months, I'm going to take these scanners and just quickly go through them and show you to them. And at the same time, find out whether they're working and whether I need to just throw them away or put them someplace else safer. So that's what I'm going to do. So it's going to be a series on old scanner radios. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.